What's up, Tech Gang? Fun here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be talking about the LG Stylo 4 Plus for Boost Mobile. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so as you see in the title, the LG Stylo 4 Plus is going to be at Boost Mobile. Not sure if Metro PCS is going to have one. That'd be dope, but it looks like they're not. The LG Q7 Plus did just release, and I did an unboxing for the Metro PCS version. So for right now, it looks like we don't have any set date or price on this device. It's probably going to be like $200 or something like that. Not 100% sure. Definitely put your thoughts in the comments down below on how much you think this device will be. I know some other people were saying the regular LG Stylo 4 was going to be $200, so definitely put your speculations in the comments. So we have some key features right here. This is going to be the LG Stylo 4 Plus though, as you guys can see right here. We're going to go ahead and take a little look around the phone. Looks pretty dope. Looks like the Q7 Plus, but bigger, obviously. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the device. As you guys see right here, it's going to be blue, so looks like the Q7 Plus in all honesty. It looks like a Q7 Plus with the stylus. But for our features, we have a 6.2-inch full vision TFT display. Nothing changed there. This is going to be 18:9, 2160 by 1080p. Android 8.1 installed. But the cool thing now is we do have that certification for IP68, so we have dust and water resistance up to 5 feet of water for 30 minutes straight, so that is really cool. We also have a 1.5 gigahertz octa-core processor, same MediaTek processor, but the other thing that changed in here is we have 3 gigabytes of RAM now. We still have 32 gigabytes of storage, but we have an extra gigabyte of RAM. And I think LG did listen to the mass of people that were saying they need an extra gigabyte of RAM, so that was pretty cool right there. We also have battery capacity, 3300 milliamp lithium polymer battery, fast charging. So we are going to have fast charging. Now the available colors, it looks so far it's going to be Moroccan blue. Looks like the same color as the LG Q7 Plus, as I said before. Definitely put your thoughts in the comments down below. We have some more features down here. It's actually going to be a 2.5D arced glass right here. Taking a look at more features, it says we have a real metal frame and a 2.5D arced glass, which is pretty cool. It says hold on to premium comfort. The real metal frame, complemented by gently curved 2.5D arced glass, is as nice to look at as it is to hold. So it looks like we are going to have a metal frame, but the back is still going to be plastic, and that's the same as it is on the LG Stylo 4 for Metro PCS and the regular one for as I said before, the original LG Stylo 4 on the Boost Mobile. It also says we have IP68 and mil spec, so go anywhere with a device that's tightly sealed against the elements and built to military grade durability, so that's pretty cool. Going down, talks about the display, 6.2-inch full HD full vision display. Maximize your view and enjoyment on a full vision display that delivers clear picture quality and a more vivid visual experience. Pretty much same old thing. We also have portrait mode on here, which is pretty cool. We have that PDAF camera, as I said before on the other ones. We also have DTS audio around here, surround sound audio. So pretty much all of the stuff that we had on the original LG Stylo 4, just with a boost in specifications right there. And we did get that IP68 certification, which is pretty cool. I know we didn't get the certification for the LG Stylo 4 for Metro PCS, but hey, I did a water resistance test and nothing went wrong. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this news, definitely leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not part of the tech gang already. Definitely a huge shout out to LG for releasing a Plus model. If you guys want to go ahead and take a look at the full specification list, you guys can go ahead and go in the description down below. I will leave a link for you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This has been some fun from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.